everybody, how are we all doing out there? Everyone ready for Friday and the weekend? It's coming up fast. So what have I got here for you today? Well, you've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know what we're here for. It's this Birchbox. Just look at this Birchbox. Can we just take a moment to look at this Birchbox? One thing Birchbox always does, they come up with these amazing beautiful boxes. Like, just look at it. Look at it. So nice. And it's got like some of the patterns on the back. It's just beautiful, isn't it? I wasn't going to do this today. Well, I didn't know it was going to arrive today. And when I got home after my hospital visit, I was like, oh, I'm so tired. But then I saw this was here and I thought, I can't wait. I cannot wait to get this out and show it to you guys. You deserve to see it now. So if you want to find out what is in March's Birchbox, then you need to give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. And don't forget, you can share my video with anyone you like, because everyone wants to know what's in this Birchbox, don't they? You know it's true. Okay, let's get into the video. So if you don't know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly subscription box, which is $12.95 a month, £10 for the box, $2.95 PMP, and you can get it cheaper if you go for a 3-month or 6-month or 12-month deal, but I go monthly, so you know what I like to say, cancel and get it again and see if you can get a free deal or you can get a slight discount, because that just makes it more fun. That is my top tip and advice. And I do have a little code which I'll put on the screen for you if you would like to try a Birchbox. I'm going to read their paperwork first and we will see what it says. It says this: be present, not perfect. Mindfulness. What's in your March box? This month we're championing the importance of me time and the art of self-care. Yes, it's time to look after number one. That's you. After all, mindfulness is all about being fully in the moment, pulling free from pressure to always push harder and strive for perfection. Step 1, take the time to sit back and relax with 5 beauty treats picked to help you look and, more importantly, feel great. Okay, shall we see what it looks like? Just got to move the box a little bit. I got my husband to take the paperwork out for me, by the way, so that I didn't see. What does it look like? I'm trying to look, but I can't look and hold my chin. Does it look good? Is there anything good in there? Looks all a bit white to me. Ooh, ooh, some nice things. I can't help myself, I've got to do this first. It is a brush from Spectrum. You can always recognise Spectrum brushes. Let me take the packaging on. Is this like a crease brush or something? Concealer brush? It's so soft. Oh, can you ever have too many brushes? All my Spectrum brushes have come from boxes. It's the way, it's the way. Right, what does it say? I think this is a full-size item. It doesn't say it's full size, but if it's not full size, then what size is it? It can't get any more full size than a brush, right? Spectrum Collections C06 Tulip Eye Contour Brush, $4.99. Has perfecting a smoky eye been on your beauty to-do list for a while now? Take a little time out and get to grips with this nifty brush. The tapered synthetic bristles have a wonderfully fluffy texture, making light work of blending out the edges of your eyeshadows or adding depth and definition to the crease. Bonus, all of Spectrum Collections brushes are animal friendly and seriously beautiful. That is so true. They are always just classy looking, nice looking. They really, oh, it's so soft. Oh, I love tickling my eyeball, especially after a long day. Very happy with that. I mean, I think honestly, if I got a box of all brushes, I'd be so happy. Just one of those things that I really like. This is something I'm also super, super excited about. It is black, that we're on, black face mask, 15ml, and this month you get to choose between either this or you get the black eye mask. Now, I did a review already on this face mask and eye mask in preparation for this box, and I loved this mask. For me, it left my skin so smooth, my bumps were right down, my skin looked really clear, and it wasn't just for the next day, it was for about a week my skin was better. So I am really happy, and I had to pick this. I couldn't go for the mask. I did like the mask. I think it plumped out my under eye, but I don't think it was as dramatic or as exciting as this was for me. So that's why I had to get it. You can get about 2 face masks out of this. Now, when I did it, as I'm sure you've watched it, because why wouldn't you? But if not, I'll just pop a link up there. But I put it around here, down the sides, around here, around here, around here, and on my nose. And I've seen other pictures where people just put it literally there, like a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit, you know. So you can get at least 2, possibly 3 out of this, depending on how much you use it. If you have sensitive skin, I don't know if I'd recommend it. Well, actually, that's not true. I would recommend it, but for anyone, to be honest, don't peel it off, because it really bloody hurts. It really hurts to peel it off, and it leaves your face a bit red. It does go away, but don't do it. Instead, get some water and it will literally melt it off. If you peel it off, it'll look like a plastic bin bag that's all shriveled up. But if you melt it off just with a cloth, just dab it, it will melt off your face so much easier, and it won't hurt you when you take it off. And then if you do get it in any hairs on your face, it's not a big deal. I was so glad I was really careful with it, because if I had got it on hairs on my face and peeled it off, I would have been gutted, because it bloody hurt. So I love it. I think it works, but be careful. Peel off mask. Stressed out skin, when pores are clogged, blemishes are appearing, and your complexion is generally looking tired, this charcoal mask will draw out toxins and purify. First, cleanse with a warm cloth to open up your pores, then apply an even layer and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the fun bit. Slowly peel off in an upward direction to reveal happy, healthy complexion. Psst. Sensitive skin, always patch test first. And I would definitely agree with that. So next up we have something that might have a few of you quite excited. If you've not been living on Planet Zog, then you will have heard about the new mascara from Benefit, Bad Girl Bang. Well, Bad Gal Bang, really? That's how you say it? So this is it, and this was Birchbox's like special, most exciting, I don't know, is it a coup? This is their coup, because they have got this, and I don't, well, if the other boxes have got it, I don't know, but certainly they haven't been shouting about it, but they said that everybody would be getting this, and it is a mini version. I still have my extensions in at the moment, and I've got mascara on, so I'm not going to put this on right now, but it does look exciting, doesn't it? And I've seen quite a few reviews on it already, and everyone seems to either like it or love it. Streamline for big volume with 360-degree reach. Shall we just get it out and have a quick look? This is their before and after picture. Now this is a mini version, although the smaller it is, the more expensive it is. So should we say it's about £8? Let's say about £8. So the big deal about this is it has some like space technology in it that makes the mascara really, really light, so it will curl your lashes, they claim, for 36 hours, and your lashes will stay up, your mascara will stay on and be beautiful. Wow, look at, compared to the size of the handle, the brush is like the same length as the handle. I think it genuinely is the same length as the handle. They haven't skimped on the length just because it's a mini size. I could put it on my lower lashes, couldn't I? This looks like just the kind of mascara I like, and I'm excited to get this just as my lashes are going to be going bye-bye. Even though I had a bit of mascara on already, that has picked up some lashes that hadn't been picked up first time round. Oh, that was my fault. I used the end there and I didn't declump before I used it. So can you see the difference between old mascara and this one? Definitely a big difference. And when my extensions are done with, I'm going to need a mascara that lengthens a lot, because I'm used to having lashes this length now. I'm really impressed with that. That has really grabbed all of my lashes that were hiding, that I didn't even really realise were there. Even the ones right here on the inner at the front that I thought that I'd got as much as I could this morning with my other mascara, but obviously not. Yeah, I'm really happy. Do you know, I was like, oh no, I've got lash extensions, I don't really need this. But now I'm like, yes, I do need this, even if it was just for my bottom lashes, because they look great. You can really see them. Thank you, Benefit. Thank you, Birchbox. I'll leave the big one till last. Oh, this is something I actually already have. This is from Manakadar, and it is a bronzer highlighter. It says it's a Birchbox exclusive. It's a radiant split pan bronzer and highlighter duo. When it comes to pared back beauty, multi-purpose products are where it's at. Take a more streamlined approach to your makeup bag with this handy duo. Grab a large fluffy brush and buff the bronzer all over your face to add a subtle glow to skin, or dust beneath your cheekbones for a natural sculpt. Complete the look with a sweep of highlighter on your cheeks, giving fresh face luminosity. Oh, and it actually says, heads up, this project is a little fragile, so email us if yours has been shaken up. Well, mine looks just fine, but I'm going to try and find my one now so I can give you a little demo. Now, it's a bit strange because I don't know where it is, and I do use it quite a lot for the highlighter part in particular. So I've just washed my hands so I can do a swatch for you and put it in the giveaway box. So when you open it, it looks like this. Just done one light swatch of each. You could actually use them as eyeshadows, to be honest, as well. Now that bronzer is like shimmery. It is a shimmery bronzer, so you can definitely use it as a eyeshadow. That's why I don't really use it as a bronzer, because it is quite shimmery and quite golden. And actually sometimes you could probably use that as the highlighter, to be honest. But I have used this one as a highlight, although it is a bit white for me, so it does show up a bit funny sometimes. But if you just like brush it in a bit, it does work out all right. I like the consistency, I like how they work, but to me it's not really a suitable bronzer because it's just so shimmery. Like, it's just, look, it's just pure like shimmer. And I don't know, do you want a shimmery contour? Maybe for certain situations, I don't know, but it is nice. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile. Okay. Last item. And it is, if it's not full size, it must be full size, mustn't it? Looks full size to me. It's massive. That's what they said. This is Sebamed Clear Face Antibacterial Cleansing Foam. I've never heard of them before. For impure and acne prone skin, combats pimples and blackheads, effective antibacterial action due to montanylene C4. That's a mouthful. Gentle pore deep cleansing. This antibacterial cleansing complex for impure and acne prone skin helps effectively to combat skin impurities. The foam's active ingredient montanylene C40 combats bacteria and helps prevent the formation of pimples and blackheads for all forms of acne with inflamed pimples. Panthenol helps to regenerate irritated or inflamed skin and makes it soft and subtle. The pH 5.5 promotes the natural skin barrier function of the skin's acid mantle. Okay, so I don't have acne and I don't really get loads of spots, although I did have a little friend trying to grow there the other day. But I do get loads of under the skin bumps and they really wind me up. And face masks can only do so much. They help, but they don't get rid of them. So I'm going to give this a try because I've been using the Aldi cleanser, which I do like, but I feel like that's my cleanser for night, to be honest, when I take makeup off, not my day cleanser. I have used it in the day, but I often use two cleansers. I don't know, I'm just a bit weird like that. Let's see what the paperwork said. Battling breakouts, forget the skin stripping products of your teenage years. This cleanser takes a fresh approach to clear skin. Not only does the foaming formula wash away impurities and balance oil, it also helps to maintain natural moisture barriers to keep your complexion feeling soft and healthy. Quite the balancing act. Just massage 1 to 2 pumps onto damp skin and then rinse away. So that's quite interesting because obviously not everyone has acne, but I think probably it's worth a try for everybody to see how their skin would take it. And for those people that have got more serious spotty skin and things, they're probably like, yes, finally we get a product that's really for us. So that makes our box worth £36.15. You know, if I'm putting the benefit at about £8, could be a little less, but well, I don't know. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt because I'm kind of like that. So that makes our box pretty much triple the cost price, which is very nice. We like it to be in that arena. But are the products very good? Will I like them? Will I use them? Well, this, we know, I already love it. So I'm so happy to have some more. Brushes, can't get enough of them, particularly Spectrum brushes, love them. And I haven't got anything like this. So, oh, eye massage, love it, love it. This I am interested to try, and it's come at a perfect time for me because I was just about to decide which one to pick up next. So it's going to be this one. This, I love it. I love what it's done to my bottom lashes already, and I can't wait to try it all over. And this from Manakadar. Is that how you say it? Manakadar? It's nice. I've used it before. I like it, and it's given me something really nice and pricey to put in my giveaway for you guys. So there we go. That's this month's box. What do we think? I like it. There's nothing in there I don't like. There's nothing in there I can't use or won't use. So thumbs up, and I like the value to cost price ratio. So what have Birchbox got up and coming for us next month? If you don't want to find out this sneak peek, then close your eyes and put your fingers in your ears. Here we are. It's this from Model Co. Ooh, exciting, right? They are highlighters in Froze or Moonshine, and you get to choose as well, that I'm happy about, because definitely Moonshine is more going to be suited to me. Although I love the way that Froze looks, it makes me want to eat it. Spring is officially on its way, so wave goodbye to winter skin and say hello to a sunshine glow with Model Co's radiance boosting highlighters. Apply to eyes, face and cheeks for instant luminosity. Keep an eye on your inbox to choose your favourite hue. Oh, here's a little voucher, up to £25 back when you order from the Birchbox shop. And these are the details using the code thank you. That's very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think of all the products and whether you might be getting a Birchbox too. And until you see me next time, take care of yourselves and each other and live every moment well. Bye guys.